NEET refers to youth who are not in employment, education or training, and typically refers to youth aged 15 to 24 years old.
We looked at three particular costs of being NEET: unemployment, inactivity, and the cost of educational underachievement. Youth exclusion and underutilisation in the labour market is associated with serious economic and social costs. In particular, they are likely to have much poorer lifetime outcomes with respect to scarring in terms of future employment and wages, poorer health, increased crime, and lower quality of life.
The Vodafone Foundation approached the New Zealand Work Research Institute to undertake a study on the NEET population in New Zealand.
For us at the Vodafone Foundation, it's really important that we're supporting young people in New Zealand. So the more research and more information that we have to be able to better make decisions, the more useful it is for us. Knowing the reputation and the positive professional work that AUT does was a great fit for us.
We used data from the Household Labour Force Survey for the years 2004 to 2015 and found that the NEET rate in New Zealand ranged between 10 to 15%. NEETs also tended to be older, with approximately 73% being between the age of 20 to 24 in 2015. Looking at the NEET rate by gender, we also saw that females were more likely to be NEET, with over half of those females having caregiving responsibilities. There was a clear convergence over that time period between the male and female NEET rate. Males were more likely to be unemployed. In 2015, 60% of the male NEET population were unemployed. Looking at the NEET population by ethnicity, we found that Māori and Pacifica were twice as likely to be NEET when compared to New Zealand Europeans. In Auckland, there are also sub-regional disparities, with youth in South Auckland being more likely to be NEET when compared to other regions within the Auckland area. This research is quite important because in the last few years we've seen an upsurge in NEET policies internationally. However, in New Zealand there hasn't been quite that much research on the NEET population in general.
And so the results of the report are enabling us to understand what effective strategies work for young people who are not in education, employment or training, so that our communities can best support them.